Good morning, students. Today I am going to give lecture on choropleth method, their merits and demerits. These maps represent the variation in the distribution of average values per unit area by applying various shades to the administrative divisions. The word choropleth has been derived from two Greek words, namely chorus meaning place and plethron meaning measure. Thus, the literal meaning of choropleth is quantity in area. Quantity in area. Every state government collects agricultural, population, and industrial data of small administrative divisions or units such as blocks, tehsils, districts, etc. Thus, it is not difficult to get the average value per unit area, such as yield of a crop per hectare, density of population per square kilometer, percentage of area under rise to the total cropped area, etc. The average value per area is obtained by dividing the quantity by the area. As for example, to find out the density of population of a district per square kilometer, the population of the district is divided by its area in square kilometers. If we are talking about the construction of the choropleth map, the thing which we needed, obtain an outline map of the concerned area along with its administrative boundaries. Obtain data according to administrative divisions. Fix suitable class interval and put administrative divisions in their respective class interval. Now fix suitable shades for these class intervals. Intensity of shades increases with the increase in ratio. Use different shades to show ratios in different administrative units. Light shade for lower ratio and dark shades for higher ratio. This is the example of the choropleth map, in which we can easily judge that the Assam state and Haryana and Assam state has the dark shades, which means the concentration is high in these areas as compared to the Gujarat, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Arunachal Pradesh, and in case of the Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh are medium. This is another example of choropleth method, in which it shows the literacy rate of India in 2001. Now, from this map, we can easily assess that Kerala and Mizoram have the highest literacy rate in India in 2001, and the shade is decreasing as in Maharashtra, then in Himachal Pradesh, and then in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha has the lowest literacy rate in India in 2001. If we're talking about the merits of the choropleth method, there are some merits of the choropleth method. First, levels of shading color represent a range of values. With the help of the shading, we can easily represent the various range of data in these by the shadings. This method is very useful for human geographers, because in this mostly we can show the agriculture production, livestock, density of population, which is very important for human geographers, as isopleth is important for meteorological department or physical geography. Third, visually effective, can see a large amount of information and general patterns. Use countries and regions. In this choropleth method, we can use different countries or regions to show the distribution or to show the density of population, to show the agriculture productivity in which we can use different type of regions, we can use different countries, or we can use whole the world. Grouping can be flexible to accommodate the spread of values is the another important merit of the choropleth method. There are some demerits of the choropleth method. First one is they give a false impression of abrupt change at the boundaries of shaded units. Choropleths are often not suitable for showing total values. Proportional symbol overlays included on the choropleth map above are one solution to this problem. It can be difficult to distinguish between different shades. Sometimes it is very difficult to differentiate between shades, which shade is intensive and which shade is less as compared to the other. Last one is variation within map units are hidden, and for this reason smaller units are better than larger ones. These are the some demerits of the choropleth map. Thanks.